For the goblet squat, there's 2 grips with the kettlebell, but it's the same lower body and upper body mechanics. The only thing different is the grip. So we're gonna upright row the bell to here. This is the traditional grip that I like, where bell is gonna be face up. You're gonna be dropping down. Knees are gonna almost come in contact with your elbows. Keeping the torso up. Good full range of motion. Don't worry about going super low here. I like to kind of keep them bent at 90. That keeps tension on the quads. The horn of the bell is gonna be right below your chin. Feet are gonna be slightly externally rotated. Inhaling down, exhaling up. You're gonna set the bell down. Now, if the bell is really heavy, you can also invert it, and you're gonna do it like this. You're gonna pick the bell up with one hand, you're gonna swoop underneath, and then flip the bell up like this. Really comfortable grip. To set it back down, just reverse the motion. So whatever grip works, as long as the bell is in this goblet position, and you're keeping the head drawn back, chest up, driving with the quads and the glutes.